So I'm here again with another platform that will literally pay you for free without any investment. That is what I do, and that is what I love doing. Yeah, stick around to the end of this video so that you learn how you can actually utilize this platform and you earn for free using it. So after clicking on the link I'll be giving to you, you'll be coming over to the website like this. First of all, make sure you give your email. Click on send code. A code will be sent to your email. Submit that code here. Give a password. Reconfirm your password. Click on this I agree button. Then click on register. Once successfully registered, make sure you log into your account. Once you're in, you'll be asked to set your transaction password. Come here, give a password. Reconfirm the password. Click on send code. A code will be sent to your email. Come here, paste that code, scroll up and you click on confirm. Next, click here. Click on this one. You'll be asked to complete your verification. Just click on it, select your country, insert your name, okay, give your ID number, then make sure you also import the photo of your ID card, okay, any valid ID card of your choice, either driver's license, NIN or international passports. So after doing this, click on promotion, copy your referral link. Just ensure to get one valid invite. You can decide to do it yourself by asking any of your siblings to just do one verification for you, but make sure you do not register with the same device, okay, otherwise your account will get terminated. Alright, so once you have successfully get one invite whom also have completed KYC, just come here, click on voucher, click on apply. It is now valid. So we should come back, click on where they say AI at the bottom. Now click on buy robots, click on buy. So it has been successful. Every 3 days come here and reactivate this robot the same way every 3 days, just as you can see here. This $50 will be lasting for 30 days, okay. Then at the end of 30 days you can decide to withdraw for free, okay, according to the team behind this project. Next, come to this assets, okay. As you can see, instead of $50 I have 56, meaning that $6 has actually been given to us for free, okay, but you can't see it right here. Look at it, is under LYP. This is their own token, so we can actually swap this token for USDT. How to do it? Click on where they say exchange, click on USDT at the top, then look for LYP. So as you can see, just click on it, change this BTC to USDT, okay, click on max, then click on confirm. This way you have automatically swapped your stuff to USDT. So let's keep our fingers crossed and hope for the best. Just in case you're having this issue with Chrome and you don't know how to solve it, come here, click on details, click on where they say this unsafe sites. So once you click on that, automatically you'll be having access into the website. So just as you have seen so far on this tutorial video, it's that simple. Just sign up, do your KYC, invite at least one person, okay, make sure the person completes he or her KYC. You can decide to ask a friend or a family member, anybody to just help you, okay, just one person. Then you activate your bot. Make sure you activate every 3 days, okay, and once you get to the minimum threshold you can decide to withdraw and enjoy your weekend.